Hello guys and welcome back to Creative Process DIY. In today's video I'm gonna be replacing this cat tree, and it's been almost 3 years, maybe even more, and the cat tree is really good. Silk was sleeping on the bottom of it. But I did already replace once sisal twisted rope. I don't want to do it. And we did order a new cat tree. Also, as you can see, it needs cleaning. But overall, it's in really good shape. Just 2 parts need some work. So as you can see, this is exact same cat tree as we have. And now I'm gonna start assembling this cat tree. This is the brand Go Pet Club. And I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video so you guys can order if you like the product. Before you continue, make sure these 2 pieces are on the same height, because if they aren't, you won't be able to finish assembling the cat tree. So we just notice one difference. The sisal rope is used from the bottom to the top, all the way, on each piece of this cat tree. On the previous model, as you might see, they did it just partially, and it's actually really bad. The problem with it, as you can see, it leaves small pieces of the carpet stuck in the between of the sisal rope, and it's difficult to remove. You cannot just simply vacuum it, you have to remove it by hand, which is difficult. And also, cats love to scratch the carpet, and that's what happens with the carpet once it's scratched. I'm really happy with the quality, and I'm highly recommend this cat tree. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like what you see, if you wanna buy this cat tree, I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.